Hey, ever had someone twist your words, guilt trip you, or make you feel like you're losing your mind? Yep, those are manipulation tactics, and today, we're doodle diving into 9 sneaky ones you should totally watch out for. Let's go. Blame shifting. Wait, you think I did that? No, it's definitely your fault. This is blame shifting. Instead of owning up, manipulators pass the blame like a hot potato. Even if they clearly dropped the pie, they'll say you made them did. Playing the victim. They hurt you, but suddenly they're the one crying? This is the classic, for me, act. They twist things around so you feel guilty, even when they cause the drama. Mirroring. Oh my god, you love pineapples on pizza too? Sounds cute, right? But mirroring is when someone copies everything you do to quickly gain trust. It can feel like a soul connection until it's not. Love bombing. Texts, flowers, gifts, compliments, and more texts. Love bombing is an overwhelming flood of affection at first. But it's not love, it's control wrapped in glitter. The silent treatment. You ask a question and hear crickets. The silent treatment isn't just someone needing space. It's a cold, calculated freeze out to make you feel powerless. And it stings. Guilt tripping. Oh, I guess I'll just suffer alone. It's fine. When someone constantly makes you feel bad for setting boundaries or saying no. That's guilt tripping. And no, you're not a bad person. Triangulation. Just so you know, they agree with me. Triangulation is when someone drags in a third person to make you feel ganged up on or jealous. It's messy, it's manipulative, and it's not okay. Gaslighting. That never happened. You're remembering it wrong. Gaslighting messes with your reality. They deny facts, twist stories, and make you question your memory or even your sanity. But no, you're not crazy. Stonewalling. You're talking, but they've already built an emotional brick wall. Stonewalling is shutting you out completely. No replies, no eye contact, no resolution, just silence and frustration. Phew, those are 9 of the most common manipulation tactics, now in your awareness toolkit. The more you recognize these, the easier it is to set healthy boundaries and protect your peace. Stay smart and stay kind.